a jewel of a city on a Greek island, 1600 BC, the most advanced people on Earth. And in one day, all of it vanishes and becomes a legend. This is Akrotiri, and it's 3,000 years ahead of its time. What you're about to see is a reconstruction based on real history, the last day of a civilization the world may remember as Atlantis. Look at this, 3-story houses, paved streets, a city planned to the last stone. They have running water, clay pipes in the walls, even flushing toilets, while the rest of the world lives in mud huts. And art everywhere. Bright frescoes of dolphins, flowers, and ships on every wall. Where do all these ships sail?
Everywhere. We rule the sea.
What's your name?
Nira.
Nira. Remember her. A proud, rich, brilliant people. Absolutely certain their world will last forever. But the mountain at the heart of the island is stirring. The ground has been shaking for weeks. Smoke rises from the crater. Fine ash begins to fall. They've felt earthquakes before. They think it will pass. It won't. We must run! The mountain is exploding! Run for your lives! One of the largest eruptions in all of human history. A column of ash reaching the edge of the sky. Day turns to night. Ash buries the city whole. Just like Pompeii, but far, far bigger. And then the whole center of the island collapses straight into the sea. The ocean rushes into the hole and throws up a wave the size of a mountain. That wave races across the sea toward Crete, toward the beating heart of their empire. In minutes, it smashes into the greatest civilization of the age and breaks it forever. Akrotiri is gone. Half the island has simply disappeared beneath the waves. A rich and powerful island, swallowed by the sea in a single day. Their empire never truly recovers. Within a few generations, the greatest people of the Bronze Age fade from the world. Nira, the harbour, the painted walls, All of it, under the sea. A 1,000 years later, a Greek philosopher writes of a brilliant island that vanished into the ocean in a day. He calls it Atlantis. Many believe he meant this. Maybe the greatest legend of a lost world was real all along. And every world feels eternal, right up until the day the sea takes it.